Today, we're diving into the OM3 LC fiber patch cable, a robust solution designed for high-speed data transmission over short to moderate distances. With its Corning 5125-micron core and cladding, this cable ensures optimal performance in environments ranging from educational institutions to corporate offices and beyond. The rugged black polyethylene jacket and zipcord reinforcement make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, meeting stringent industry standards like OFNR, riser rated, at a generous length of 125 meters, 410.10 feet. This duplex cable supports data rates up to 10 gigabits per second, making it ideal for demanding applications in fields such as military, healthcare, finance, and more. Its LC to LC connectors are UPC terminated, ensuring reliable connectivity and minimal signal loss. The cable's optical characteristics, including a modal bandwidth of 1500-2000 MHz-km at 850 nanometers 1300 nanometers, cater to various Ethernet standards from fast Ethernet to 100 gigabits Ethernet, demonstrating versatility across different network setups. Built to last and backed by a lifetime warranty, the OM3 LC fiber patch cable stands out as a dependable choice for anyone seeking superior performance and durability in their network infrastructure. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or implementing a new network installation, this cable promises seamless connectivity and robust data transmission capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.